Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery level for your speaker Bose SoundLink Color II using your iOS device. And the first option is to create a widget, so just press and hold at empty space, then click Edit or Plus at the left top, Add Widget, scroll down and click on Batteries. Now choose the best widget for you, that's okay for me. And after you decide, click Add Widget. And now you can check it right here, but make sure that your speaker is turned on. And the second option is to use an application, so just open it. And right here we have a battery percentages, not now, it changed. So you can check it also here. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!